ऑन है, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है।
देखो देखो वहाँ देखा क्या है। Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I'm going to show you a baby clothing haul. So last week I ordered few things from. I ordered few clothes for Yuan, and so today I thought to share a try-on haul with you guys. So let's get started. So let's get. So first, I ordered few t-shirts or tees for him. So as you can see, this is a one t-shirt and this is for 18-month kids, and I think this is good for age between 18 to 24 month. Till 2 year definitely Yuan can wear this t-shirt, and I really love this color. As you can see, so this is a one t-shirt. So this one is for 12 to 18 month kids, and this one is the second one with bear print, and I think these tees are really good for summers, and these are really breezy, so I really love them, and the cotton material is also really soft. And the other one is so another one is this San Diego blue t-shirt, and this is also for 12 to 18 month kids. And two more t-shirts are there. So this is a combo of two t-shirts, and this is for 12 to 18 month kids as well. So as you can see, and these all t-shirts are for $4.99 or $3.99, around that price only. I'll put all links along with price in my description box. If you want to check, you can check. So I show you. So this is the one, and this yellow one is a plain t-shirt, which can easily you can combine with any jeans, trouser or joggers. So these are the two other t-shirts. Total I ordered 5 t-shirts, and I think these are really cool. And for pairing these t-shirts, I ordered few chino shorts. So this is also a combination of two, that is around $14.99 I think. So this is a sky blue color, and this is a navy, or like this is a dark blue, navy blue, you can say. So this is a one short, and this one is the another. So the best part for these pants are there is a these elastics are also there, so you can easily resize them according to the waist of your kid. So I ordered a 12 to 18 month size, so that he can wear a little longer. And yeah, so what I thought, this goes, these two t-shirt goes with the blue one, and also I think blue one is perfect for all of them. Rest this dark blue one is can pair up with this blue, and also he can pair the yellow one with this shorts, and rest I think 3 colors are for this dark blue one. So that's how he can easily combine these t-shirt with these shorts. So these are the things. And then I also order a pull-on pants for him, but this is a 18-month size, 12 to 18-month size, but this is too loose for Yuan in thighs or in length, so I don't think so he can wear this. But I'm not gonna return this because maybe later he can wear this because the material is really good. So see, you can see I ordered 12 to 18 month size, but this design have some problem maybe because this is too large for him. I don't understand why, but yeah, maybe when he is be 18 or in winters he can wear with pull on or with any other full t-shirts. And when I ordered this, I thought to combine these pants with these cotton shirts, but now I thought to order something other thing to combine these shirts. So this is a shirt for age between 9 to 12 month kids, and this is a cotton shirt, as you can see, and can easily fold these sleeves here. So this is the one shirt which I order for him, and this is size 9 to 12 because just in this last incoming month in August his birthday is very near. So because his birthday is very near in August only, so I ordered few clothes according to that thing. So I ordered this shirt 9 to 12 so that he can wear, and exact size. So I ordered this, and earlier I thought to combine this t-shirt with this pant, but now I have to order something else. But anyways, I really love this shirt. Yeah. So another thing, I ordered one more shirt, and this is the solid white cotton shirt, and this is also in size 9 to 12 month, and I think he can easily pair up this shirt with any blue solid jeans which he have already. So yeah, this is the one thing. So by mistake I ordered two of them in same size, so maybe I can return this, or if not possible then I can gift to someone. So this is the two shirt I got by mistake, so I'm gonna give to someone else this shirt for sure. And next thing, I ordered a pair of blue shoes. As you all of you know, if you are following my channel, you want to start walking, so I ordered these shoes for him. So these are really easy to wear. So, and there is a stick on here, so you can easily wear these shoes. And I bought size 22, and US size is 6, size 6, US size 6. I ordered these blue sandal or shoes, whatever you want to say. So with his all tees and those shorts, this goes really well, so I ordered this blue color, and 2-3 more colors are available. One light yellow or gray color is also available in these shoes. If you want, you can check out those colors as well. And also I ordered a set of 5 pair socks. I already used 2 of them. Now I have only 3 pair left. So as you can see, these socks are also there, and these socks in size 6 to 7.5, US size 6 to 7.5. So I think he can easily wear these socks up to 2 year. And I ordered a little bit bigger size because he have already so many socks, so I ordered a little bit bigger size. So yeah, so these are few things which I ordered from H&M. I hope you like this small clothing haul, and if you like, please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon and send me if you want to watch any other kind of videos in my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.